welcome today to one more tutorial. Today we want to talk about videos, as we want to combine the videos on top of a nice background. Then we have a small issue. I show you this. This is the normal picture. So you have a video and a fluid as a background. And of course, if you have a white video and you lighten this, then all is fine. But if you have a white video and you want to change the color, then you can see a transparency. Yeah, and after a small setting, then you have this effect. Yeah, it's beautiful and it's easy for you to change the color all time to make it very beautiful, even if you have a darker effect. Yeah, and this is very simple. Yeah, I show you what we do. First we need a background. We can use any background we want. Let's do something like the radio wave, and we do this in maybe in white. Make it smaller, and I really love the displacement. Yeah, it looks so nice, so crazy funny. Yeah, so we can change the color whatever we want. Yeah, get up the speed a little bit. Yeah, and then we want to make a new layer. We're choosing a video, and I have some videos here. We can check it out. It's this video is not working. It's working. Also, maybe it was uncompressed. There's a higher resolution. So this is the main problem. Yeah, if you load a video, then we cannot see the background anymore. Yeah, because just now the alpha channel is not working. Madrix work on this, but it's not so easy, but we will have it sooner or later. So normally you change to lighten, yeah, and then it comes this effect. It's okay, you can see both, but it's not what we want. We want to have the video on the top. Yeah, so what I do, I duplicate the video. Yeah, and then I can change this video from lighten to negative mask. So what has happened? So we need to understand what Madrix do with all the combinations. Yeah, so I will turn off the video on top, and then you can see what this video meaning now. Yeah, we make a negative mask. We also can make a normal mask. Yeah, and you can invert the colors. This is the second option. Yeah, both are working. Yeah, but finally it's much more easier with no FX and the negative mask. And when we add the video on top, then we have our effect, and it allows us to design the colors to every color we want to do. Yeah, but in this video we have some effects. They are a little bit gray. Yeah, so what we can do is to use the full mask function. Yeah, we can we can make it more brighten. Yeah, then all the colors are very, very good to see. Yeah, so now we lost a little bit of this color, of course, but it's nice in the background. Yeah, and we can use this for some more details. Yeah, show you here. Yeah, this is the normal setup. Yeah, I have red in the background and red in front. That's okay, but the blue is changing my video on front. Yeah, or the orange. Yeah, you can see. So I only need to duplicate the video, remove this, and not lighten. I make the negative mask, and now I have a nice clear video on top of any background. So that's the basic, yeah, the basic idea, and you can check it out what is possible if you have a little time. Then you can really design many ideas like this. Yeah, it's a simple fluid, but it looks very beautiful. Why we have a so slowly movement? It's about the performance, or why we have this? Like, come on. Yeah, you can see the same problem here. It's now the background video is mixed with the top video, and all what I do is I duplicate the video, remove any filter options, and I bring it to negative mask. Yeah, that's the quick tip for today. Thank you to follow the tutorial, and maybe I can surprise you tomorrow to teach you how we can bring in a fog machine to any setup. Yeah, so think about, okay, you have finished installation, and then the boss of the club or the place coming, I have a fog machine and a strobe. We cannot do this with Madrix. Yeah, so it's possible, and it's also possible without any programming. So we can remote any product in real time, like a live handling. So this I want to show you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.